Okay, I have a Unimig Viper 182 Mark II stick MMA MIG welder starter kit. So let's start an unboxing of the whole kit. Comes with all sorts of stuff, so we'll unbox it all and reveal what comes in the starter kit. Please like, share and subscribe. First part of the puzzle is the welding trolley, the Unimig welding trolley. That's all that's in the box. So we have some shelves, which we shall with the shelves. Instruction manual, wheels, axle, more parts to the puzzle, wheels and other pieces, caster wheels. And then obviously a packet which will have all the bits and pieces that come in. So once we've unpacked the other boxes, there's another two boxes. One is with the welder and the other one has got the other pieces that come with it, like a helmet. So yeah, we'll do a video on putting together this welding trolley. Okay, so here we have the Unimig Viper 182 Mark II. So let us open this box and see what we have. So this is the welder, obviously. I shall let us put this box on the ground over here and take all the time off it. The instruction manual, some gas hose fittings, gas hose, and some other connections. Where's the rest of it? Must be in the other box, I'm assuming, the rest of the leads. So yeah, so it's got a 10 amp plug for domestic use. I don't have 15 amps, so I got the, so there's the front MIG MMA. I think that's the wire feed, voltage, amperage, and then your different connections. This is the polarity, does positive or negative polarity. So, and then here's got wire feeds, feed connection, burn back connection, spool there, geared wire feed and spool gun switch. Spool gun ready, so that's the machine. We shall stick it aside for now. Okay, so this box says it's a cordless impact driver drill, but it is the accessories for the rest of the kit. Packed it in this box. So let us just put this down, and I'll put stuff out as I put it out. So it comes with the Uni-MiG Viper helmet. Very, very light, has some other filters there. It's a very light helmet, but part of the kit, so I suppose I don't expect them to put a $500 helmet in it. I'll have to learn how to use it. But apparently it's solar panel, not battery. So we shall see. Here's an adjustment dial. We'll look into that as we do more around this setup in future videos. There's my parts list for the kit. There is a nice heavy set of welding gloves, which will be good. I've only got small hands, but they're very thick, very good. Then there is a starter kit, a couple of nozzles and some welding pliers. It's got 1 MIG pliers, 2 conceal nozzles, 2 tip nozzles, 2 nozzle springs, 10.8mm tips and 10.9mm tips. It's got a cable tie on there, so we'll look at that after. We have the argon control. Gauges for doing any they feel pretty solid for using any gas. Here is the earth clamp and that's the stick welder holder. Nice and solid, about 3 meters long. Then there is the MIG nozzle, and it has a nice movable ball thing, trigger to save RSI apparently. And last of all in the pack we have a roll of gasless wire poking through, which is all sealed at the moment, so we'll leave that sealed for now and we'll have a look at it later on when we set it well up. Okay, thanks for watching this unboxing of this kit, and as I do more videos we will see more of it all getting put together, but the next video shall be the putting the trolley together. So yeah, thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.